Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna tell you about some best features of your mobile camera in Mi Note 14 5G smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start the video. First, let's open the camera, and some of the best feature is documents. Without document app, you can just capture the document view in this. You have to just capture it by like this. Here it is like a notebook, and you have to click on this, and it only captures the selected part. You can see here it is the text written over here, and it will crop the sideways. And the next feature is panorama feature. You have to click on this, and it's record like this. You have to long press this button and just like this, and you have to do click on this. Now slowly and slightly you have to move your camera, and it will record. And just stop this, and now you have to click on this. Friends, it will captures all your photo and the sideways. Friends, you can capture your whole area by panorama. I have taken another photo like this. You can see I want to capture this area and this area. This is used to be done by this panorama feature. It is very easy to use. You have to just tap on this. You have to see the direction over it is point like rightwards. So you have to take the camera rightwards, and now just right to left like this, and just capture what you want. And now just press this, and it is now captured successfully. You can see, and this will be the capture. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.